Do you know what is the most important part of video? Having great audio. Hi, I'm Travis Monroe of Mediamazing, and today we're going to discuss the best type of microphones to consider for your vlogging setup. It may seem strange at first to say that audio is more important than video, but it's true. Think about your own experience. Have you ever watched a video that the video quality wasn't the greatest, but you stayed tuned because you could clearly hear and understand what was going on? Now flip that around. Have you ever watched a video with terrible sounding audio, but the visuals looked amazing? I'm willing to bet that you quickly turned off the video with the terrible audio faster than the video with the poor visuals. Marketing studies show that viewers react negatively to videos with poor audio quality. No matter how great the content that you are producing is, if the audience can't understand you, they'll assume there's no value and they'll turn it off. While virtually all cameras these days have some form of built-in microphone, you never want to use that as your primary audio source because they simply aren't designed for that. Investing in a quality microphone is vital to a successful vlog. So what type of microphone should you choose? That depends on your type of style of vlog that you are producing. If your videos mainly consist of you in a controlled environment, such as an office, then a lavalier microphone will work great for you. Lavaliers can easily be clipped on your clothing, as well as being easy to hide. They also do a great job of isolating your voice, so you don't hear a bunch of background noise. If your vlog finds you out on the road in a variety of places and chatting with a lot of people, then a shotgun microphone might be the best option. These versatile mics can be mounted to the top of your camera and are designed to record directly in front of them. So, as long as you have the mic pointed at your subject, you should be able to pick them up with your microphone. I hope you found this breakdown of vlogging microphones helpful. In the comments below, please tell us some of your favorite microphones to use and why. For more tips and in-depth tutorials on content creation, please like and subscribe.